Mounting pressure tonight as Congress inches closer to a vote that could determine whether Affordable Care Act subsidies survive past January. Those subsidies were not included in the bill to reopen the government. Your Georgia State House reporter Abby Kasoris shows us how the stakes are rising for Georgia families and the state's healthcare system.
ACA subsidies help lower insurance costs for more than 1.4 million Georgians. They're set to expire if Congress doesn't act. We expect a vote in the coming months. The countdown is on, and the anxiety is real. A single dad cutting hair to keep his son covered.
Our premium will go up by $640.
A woman with multiple sclerosis, terrified to lose the medical team she depends on.
My brain could literally be breaking down, and I don't know it.
A senior in rural Georgia worried about shrinking access to care.
These primary care emergency rooms, they'll end up closing in rural areas like where I live.
The warnings are growing louder. The Commonwealth Fund projects more than 33,000 Georgia jobs could disappear if subsidies lapse. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation estimates Georgia could lose $1.6 billion, pushing 45 rural hospitals even closer to shutting their doors.
Sick people don't vaporize. They show up. They show up in emergency rooms, and their care is so much more expensive because they're far sicker. They require hospitalization when 2 months ago they could have simply had some pills.
On a virtual press call, Georgia physicians said Congress is running out of time.
While Washington's politicians are playing games, the consequences of holding people's health care hostage to score political points on ordinary working folks in Georgia is going to be devastating.
But lawmakers remain sharply divided, even within the Republican Party. Speaker Mike Johnson has defended GOP proposals that exclude extending ACA subsidies, saying Republicans must focus on fiscal restraint, not expanding federal health programs. Meanwhile, Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene is openly criticizing her own party's stance.
I also don't think it's good advice that Republicans ignoring the health insurance crisis is going to be good for midterms.
Without extending those subsidies, Georgians for a Healthy Future estimates that more than 300,000 Georgians could be priced out or lose coverage next year. For now, families are waiting to see what will happen to their premiums and their futures. In Atlanta, I'm Abby Kasoris.
The Senate is expected to vote on the ACA tax credits by mid-December. The tax credits will expire December 31st if not.